Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Muhammad Zia Rabbani, from the Information System Program at University Bina Sarana Informatika. My purpose in making this video is to fulfill the assignment given by the English course lecturer to get the grades. One of my other goals in making this video is to convey my opinion Indonesia versus Bahrain. Under this condition, Indonesia versus Bahrain is a crucial moment for both teams. Both teams all still maintain their chance of qualifying for the World Cup on or at least competing for the top 4. If they look at the condition in the ASEAN Zone World Cup qualification Group C standing, it is possible that the battle for position in the standings is still strict. If the both teams are already behind in the battle for the top to position, the opportunity to finish in the top 4 is believed to still be wide open. That's why Bahrain requests a change in the location of the match for reason of player safety. They condemned the attacks via social media launched by fans of the Indonesian national teams. The disappointment of the Indonesia national teams fans spilled over to the controversial incident that occurred in Indonesia versus Bahrain. At the time, Bahrain scored a goal in the 9 minutes of injury time, while injury time had been set for 6 minutes. So many video of speech conveying opinions about Indonesia versus Bahrain. I apologize if there are mistakes in the choice of word. I hope everyone is always healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself, Muhammad Zair Rabbani, from the Information System Program at University Bina Sarana Informatika. My purpose in making this video is to fulfill the assignment given by the English course lecturer to get the grades. For the second assignment, I make simple present tense. Understanding of simple present tense. What is present tense? Simple present tense is a form of the tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. What does present mean? Present is simple present tense means now. Then simple means simple, and tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. Nominal simple present tense formula. How do you make simple present tense sentence? The following is a simple present tense formula that you can use. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Interrogative to be plus subject plus complement. Example sentence plus positive, I am an international school student. Negative, she is not an international school student. Interrogative, is she an international school student? Verbal present tense, the formula positive, negative, interrogative of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is positive subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Negative subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example sentence. Positive, she plays the piano beautifully. Negative, she does not play the piano beautifully. Interrogative, does she play the piano beautifully? Positive or affirmative simple present tense. Just like nominals, verbal sentence also have a positive form as we discussed at the beginning. Example of simple present tense sentence. I left I left in Jakarta. He left in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense, especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence, use do or does or do not, don't, and does not, doesn't. Example, I don't live in Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. Simple present question or interrogative. In the interrogative sentence pattern, it is separated into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I walk? Yes, I do. Does he walk? Yes, he does. We have question. What did you think when you read Weha? Actually, that is a question word in English that is attached to the letters W and H. What do I play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does she play? Why do we play? How do they play? Time words or adverb of time in simple present tense. The adverb of time that we will discuss has another term, namely adverb of frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. Function and use of simple present tense. Number one, general truth or generalization or facts. Number two, habitual or daily activities. Number three, express feeling and emotion. Number four, the scheduled even in the near future or familiar with future condition. Number five, comment or interruption. The characteristic of simple present tense sentence are use using the basic form of verb infinitive such as run, drive, sit, or play. Often use adverb of frequency such as once, twice every day, every week, three times a week, always, usually, often, sometimes, never, rarely. Continue to the next characteristic. The simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. For the subject he or she or it, the positive sentence verb is followed by the s or es affix. Example of simple present tense question. Number one, day for 3 hours every night. A. Study. B. Doesn't study. C. Studies. D. Is studying. Question answer. The simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Subject I or you or we or they positive sentence verb are not followed by the s or es affix. Subject he or she or it positive sentence verb followed by c or es. They is the subject and the verb is not followed by C or ES, so the correct answer is A. Study. Example of simple present tense question. Number two. Reni, you know where my dictionary is? Tika, sorry, I don't know where it is. The answer for number one is A. Do, B. Does, C. Is, D. Are. Question answer to from interrogative sentence in the simple present tense pattern. We use do or does the correct auxiliary verb for the subject you is do. So the answer is A. Do. Adverb of frequency. In recognizing simple present tense sentence, it can be seen from the time information because the simple present tense is a sentence that so repeated events and general truth. The time information commonly used in the simple present tense is as follow: always, sometimes, never. Closing. Thank you all for all. Sorry if there is a mistake in pronouncing the sentence, and sorry if there is a mistake in pronouncing the action of the sentence. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.